41. Use the information in figure 10.24 to estimate the boiling point of water in Denver when the atmospheric pressure is 83.3 kilopascals. Okay, so I pulled up figure 10.24, and we just have to use this to find the boiling point of water at 83.3 kilopascals, which is in Denver. By the way, Denver, I went there once. Such an awesome place. I love the state of Colorado. I was able to see the Rocky Mountains, and a couple of different cities there. So Boulder, Denver, Crest Butte. If anybody lives there, let me know. Love your state. Let's keep going though, shall we? Okay, so boiling point of water. So obviously water is H2O. And we're looking for a boiling point. Remember that a boiling point is a temperature value. So we're secretly looking for a temperature value. So we're looking for the x-axis here. And they did tell us that we are in Denver, which is 83.3 kilopascals. So out of these four graphs, we only care about the water one. And the water one is this line right here. So we're just going to focus on the blue line. Now they told us that we had 83.3 kilopascals. So I'm going to look somewhere around here to find out 83.3 kilopascals. I mean, we have to estimate, so let's see. So I would say 83 is relatively down here somewhere. So maybe it's like right here. Somewhere right here, right? So 83.3 kilopascals. We are in the correct unit, kilopascals. So I'm just going to take this line and just make it linear until I reach the graph. Boop. And that was pretty nice. Just pull this down a little bit. There you go. And it seems like we're right here. So now, all we have to do is just take that and go straight down. Okay. And now let's just see. So 80 to 100, right in the middle would be 90. And basically, this looks right smack in the middle between 90 and 100. So I would say 95. 95 degrees Celsius would be the boiling point of water in Denver. Would be the boiling point of H2O in Denver. Now, in theory, and maybe I'll just say around, because we're assuming. So about. And I'll highlight this. But you can see that at different points of the world, whether you're at high elevation or low elevation, your boiling point is not always going to be the theoretical normal boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius, which we know and love in the chemistry textbooks. So it just depends. Sometimes water will boil at 95 degrees Celsius. So in this case, it does. I hope this helped you out. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. Just gets the word out there in the YouTube universe that this channel exists. And to help students all over the world with physics, chemistry, and math videos at the moment with more subjects in the future. I'm so excited. Thank you for all your support, and I hope you're doing well. Take care. Bye-bye.